For humans, hanging upside down can quickly become uncomfortable as the blood rushes to our heads. However, one species' discomfort is another's contentment. If you've ever seen a bat hanging upside down, you may be asking, how do bats sleep like that? Believe it or not, it's their most relaxed position. The same way some people prefer sleeping on their side or on their backs, bats are most comfortable hanging upside down while holding on with their claws. Since bats are compact in size, the heart can easily circulate blood even when upside down. Humans must clench and exert muscle energy to grab onto something, but a bat is an opposite. Their claws are unique in that they don't use any energy to remain clasped onto an object. Special tendons keep the toes and claws stationary, requiring the bat to relax to hold on. Gravity and its body weight keep it locked into place and ready to rest. Hanging upside down is also a great way to hide from danger. During the hours when most predators are active, particularly birds of prey, bats congregate where few animals would think to look, and most can't reach. This allows them to disappear from the world until night comes again. There's also little competition for these roosting spots, as other flying animals don't have the ability to hang upside down. Unlike birds, bats don't lift upwards into flight, so most bats cannot take off from the ground, but rather must fall 2 or 3 feet into the flight because of their anatomy. Their wings don't produce enough lift, and so it's easier for them to fly by launching themselves from a high spot. However, some bats may be better than birds at maneuvering, and more study is needed to understand the complexities of bat wing shape and flight. Bats are nocturnal, which means they are active during the night and less active during the day. Bats become active around sunset and leave their roosts to hunt for food. During the daytime, bats typically spend time hanging upside down, sleeping, grooming, and interacting with other bats. Bats can remain upside down for long periods of time, including during hibernation periods and even after death. Some bat species can hibernate between 5 to 6 months and survive on a small amount of stored body fat. Bats are happy to sleep upside down in a variety of places. The movies portray bats as cave dwellers, but you'll find them hanging out upside down everywhere from attics to bridges to the insides of hollow trees. They are social animals living in colonies that can consist of 100 to several thousand bats. However, as cities expand into the natural habitats of bats, these animals have adapted to seek shelter inside buildings, attics, abandoned mines, and sheds. It isn't uncommon to find bats in chimneys and attics where they can remain out of sight. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You can leave a comment with what you would like to see in the following videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.